Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So today we will continue what we have learned yesterday for the Git. So we have downloaded the client called Git Bash, and through which we have given some commands for committing and also for uploading the code into our server. All right. Now we will see the same thing can be done into the Eclipse directly using the eGit plugin. Okay, so normally in all the new versions, the eGit plugin is already installed, but if it's not installed on your PC, you can go to Windows, you can go to Help and then Eclipse Marketplace, and here you just need to type eGit. Okay, and you have to hit on enter. Okay, and after that, you can click on eGit and install it. All right. And once it is done, after that, we have to open one of the perspective of Git. So for that, you can click on Window, Show View, okay, then Other, and you have to type Git, okay. In this, you have to click on Git repository and Git staging and click on Open. All right. So this is Git staging and this is Git repository, okay, which you can open. All right. So, okay, so now we are all set with our prerequisite. Now the only one thing which is remaining is to create a project first on the GitHub. So what I will do, I will just go to the website of GitHub. So it's already logged in, and after that you can click on the new button. Okay, yesterday we have seen that how we can create set up a project. So we are doing the same thing. We are setting up a project again so that we can reuse with our eGit, and here I can give my project, wait, my eGit project, eGit project new. Okay, and I'm keeping it public, I'm not making it private. And then I will click on create repository. Okay, so it has created a blank repository and this is the URL, and I can click on this URL. I can just copy it. All right, so I'm not doing anything with this URL right now. So what we need to do, first we need to create the project. All right, we have to create our own Selenium project, Java project, or it can be any project. All right, so for that I'll click on file. Let me just quickly create it. File, new, Java project, project name, my project one. Okay, finish. Okay, under that source folder, I will give a package name, new package. I will keep it default is my project one, and new class. I will give my class one. Okay, public static void main. I will check that and click on finish. So once I click on finish, it will create a blank class for me with one method, that is main, and here I can give system.out.println. Okay, so I have created my project. Okay, let's assume this is our Selenium project. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to push it. All right, but as you know that I have like show you one diagram, or maybe this new diagram. Okay, so before we push our code to master, we should have our local repository. All right, maybe in this diagram it will understand it's better. So this is the working directory which I'm working upon. It is my project. Okay, so this is my project which I have created just now. Okay, what I need to do, I need to create this local repository also. In this project, I have created one file. So here it is my file. So first I need to create this local repository, and then I need to copy this file here into my local repository. Okay, so I will just go here in my project. I will do a right click on this. Okay, and here there's an option team. All right, under team I will click on share project, And if you see there's no local repository, it's blank here. So I will click on create. Okay, it asks me what is the name of the local repository. I can give as local my project one. Okay, so we can give any name. I'm just giving it local just to know it's my local repository. And I will click on finish. And here I will click on finish. Okay, now if you see there is one local repository created. Okay, and all my files are in unstaged. Okay, so this is my working directory, this is my unstaged file, and this is my local directory. Okay, but if you see there is no file in my local directory. Why? Because we have not moved this file, we have not copied this file into these branches. Okay, so for that, what I will do, okay, so I will do a right click, team, commit. So same window get open. I will select all these files which are unstaged. I will stage them first. So this is the same command which we have used in the command prompt. If I show you, so this is the video which I have uploaded yesterday. If I show you the commands, so when we say git add dot, okay, what does it mean? So just now what we have done here from unstaged to stage, same thing had happened with the git add. Okay, and when we give the command git commit, first commit, so this is the same thing when I type my command here. So I will say here first commit. Okay, and I will click on the commit button. Okay, now so this command has been executed. Okay, now I need to push it to the remote. I need to push it to the server, but before I do that, let me show you something. So if you see in my local repository, I can see a master branch. Okay, so I can see a master branch here. Now I need to push to remote. Okay, but understand that I cannot push to the remote till the time some connection is created. So if I show you my program, my flowchart back, so this was a working directory. We have created a local repository, and once we have done the commit, it has gone to here. It has gone here at the local repository. Okay, so all my script is here. Okay, now I want to push this to my master branch at the remote. Okay, but this cannot be done till the time some connection is created between my local and master, right? So how will I do that? I will again go here in my Eclipse. Okay, and here I will go to remote. See, in remote nothing is there, it's blank. So I will do a right click on this, and I will click on create remote, and at the server my name would be the origin, and I will click on OK. Now here I have to give the URL of my project. So I will again go back to GitHub and see this is the URL. So we don't have to copy SSH, we have to copy HTTPS. All right, so I will click on copy here, and I will again go back here, Control V. Okay, I will click on change first, Control V. You will see all the information like my ID's password is there. If it's not there, you can just type your ID password and you can put a check mark here, store in secure store, and click on finish. Okay, so this has been done. Now we can just click on save. All right, now the connection has been established. All right, so connection has been established between my branch to my local branch to my master branch. There's one more thing I need to perform. Let me just check. Okay, right click, configure push. Okay, I have to also configure my push, that how I want to configure it. So for that I will go to advanced button. Okay, in advanced button I want to push my master branch. My source will be master, my destination will also be my master. Okay, so you can update that as per your need, but mostly we give this master to master. Okay, and I will click on add specification, and then I will save specification and finish, and save again. So now my configuration has been done, and if you see here, now the connection has been established, and now I just need to push all my code here into the master branch. So what I need to do, I have to do a right click. Okay, I have to go to team. Okay, because it is the first time, instead of push to upstream, I am doing push branch master. All right, so I'm clicking here and clicking on next. So it will say master to master, then click on finish. If you see it's showing you some percentage, that is 34%. So it says new branch has been pushed. If you can create a pull request, that's okay. I will click on OK button. All right. And if I go to my master and if I hit on enter just to refresh, I can see there's a first commit is written here and I can see my project is there. Okay. So congratulations, your project has been uploaded through the Eclipse. All right. Now, once we have uh, uploaded our project, let's say if I want to make some changes into my project. Okay, so let me just close these. Let's say I'm into my class and I am just copying this. Control C. After hi, I will say hello. Okay, I have made some changes, and as soon as I do a Control S, it will show you the files are in unstaged, and it will show you this greater than sign here. Okay, so that's mean I have to stage it. So you just need to drag it here, and here you will just write second commit. All right, so see, only 2 or 3 steps to make changes and push to the upstream. Second commit and then click on commit. All right, so my commit is done. After that I will do a right click, team, push to upstream. Okay, so it's pushing to upstream. Okay, it's done. Click on OK. If I do refresh, it says second commit, and if you see in the file, so hello has been printed in the file. Okay, so now anytime you want to make the changes, you just have to move your file into from unstage to stage. You have to commit it and you just need to push it. That's it. So very simple. And let's assume now you are good with your computer, but now you have one more colleague who want to work on the same code. All right, but because he's working in the same project, he does not have to push a new branch, or he does not have to push a new project onto the remote server. So what he need to do, assume that this is his computer. Okay, I'm deleting this, remove delete repository. Okay, and delete this project also. Okay, let's assume that this is blank for him, nothing is there on his computer. Okay, what he will do, so he will do a right click here, and after that he will click on import. So there are many ways through which you can do that. So right now we are doing it through project from Git. Okay, if it's a Maven project, we can download from Maven. Let's say you have first downloaded the project onto your computer through another way, maybe through a command prompt. Maybe you have gone through this site GitHub, and here you click on this clone or download, and you click download the zip, so that your folder will already be there. So there are many ways through which you can download a project onto the computer. Okay, but I'm telling you the simplest and the shortest way through which you can import any project from the Git directly. So you can do a right click, import, and then you have to go to Git, project from Git, next, and we click on clone URL, next, and in the URL we have to give our this address. So what you have to do, you have to just go to your project, you have to click on clone or download, and you have to just copy this. Okay, and you have to paste it here. You have to give your ID and password, put a check mark here, click on next, next, next. It will say import existing Eclipse project. Yes, next, and everything is okay. Click on finish. See, the project has been imported now. If you see, there is a local repository also there. And okay, local, remote, and you will see a connection with the remote is also there. Okay, so everything is done by doing just one import, very simple. And if that colleague want to make any changes, he can just make the changes as we have done before. Okay, he has to move from unstage to stage, and he will give third commit. Okay, he can either do commit and push together, but its best practice is first to do a commit and then again right click, team, push to upstream. Okay, so this is the way through which we, commit our code. Now, there's one more thing. There is one more window called navigator. So here, if you go to show view, there's an option. Do we have? Yes. So you have to click on this navigator option. What navigator option will do, it will show you the hidden files also. Okay. Package Explorer doesn't show you the hidden files, it shows you the hidden file also. So there's a file called gitignore. Okay, so in this gitignore file, we can give the file name which we want to exclude from pushing, and we don't want our Eclipse or Git to give me warning every time. For example, normally we don't, we don't give the bin folder. We don't want the bin folder, whatever in the bin folder, to get be pushed, because in bin folder normally we have .class files. So it is very tedious to manage the class files on the GitHub. Okay, so we give in the bin folder. If there's anything else also which you think should not come, you just give here and save it and just push this up once. All right, so this is it for this video. So just make it sure, like, because you will be using this day in day out in your project. Maybe it's possible you are doing this 4 to 5 times in a day. So if you don't remember any of these things, then that will be a difficult situation for you also. Just make it sure you learn everything in this video which I have told you by heart. Learn how to do this from Eclipse plugin, and also learn how to do this from the command prompt, which was a video I have posted yesterday. Okay, because practically I have seen sometime that plugin sometime gives issue, and in that point of time only those issues are resolved through the command prompt. And if you know those things, then you don't have to reach out to anyone else also to resolve your issues. So just make it sure, you practice it again and again, see the video again and again if you're not confident. Once you're confident in that, once you have practiced at least 8 to 9 times this thing, then only you can say you have learned about Git. Okay, because this is the simplest thing right now, and when we go forward it become more difficult, because normally we don't do everything in master what we were doing here. I have not created a release branch right now, let me show you. Okay, normally we don't do anything with the master, we do it here. Okay, we do it here, then after that we raise a pull request. Okay, and if there is a conflict, we again, go ahead, make some changes, and then again it go here into, the feature branch, and then again we raise a pull request. From the pull request it goes into master branch. Okay, so these things will become difficult day by day. So it's always better, you learn from the scratch, learn everything what I have told you. So in the next video I will tell you how to do these things, how to resolve the conflicts, and how to create this feature branch and do a pull request. Okay, and that's it. So if you like the video, please hit on the like button, and if this video help you a bit, please share with your friends and colleagues so that it can also help them. All right, thank you.